Over the years, I've seen comments where people saying, man, coach, you just surface level. And while I understand that most people on the YouTube channel just want to hear about flow, but on my Patreon, we go deeper than deep. I mean, we're talking about how to find and build a persona as an artist, how to create lyrics that connect to a special audience, and how to make those melodies that are unforgettable in your choruses, and so much more. Not only that, we got the Discord where you can get feedback daily if you need it, just for that second opinion. For as low as $1 a month, you could join the Patreon and you immediately become a better artist after it. Hope to see you there. When I first started out rapping, I got a lot of my rap influence from East Coast rappers, battle rappers, Philly rappers, New York rappers. And one thing that was apparent with how they all were rapping were they were using multi-syllables. And so what this conditioned me to do was make sure that in all of my songs, all of my rapping, all of my hooks, my verses, I had the multi-syllable rhyme going. For example, if I had strictly cool, every syllable would have to nearly rhyme or rhyme with that. Strictly cool, missing you, didn't lose, pick and choose. But over time, what I realized was that I was putting myself in a box, because even though I could come up with different flows, the end of my bars, they always had this multi-syllable sound. And as I started studying more and more rappers, especially more visceral rappers who aren't super technical with the rhyme schemes and the flow patterns and everything, but it's the flow, it's the energy, it's delivery, and how they're able to make things work without leaning on the multi-syllable rhymes. It was just like my brain, I could not like fathom like trying to figure out like how to not rhyme. I would just automatically go to a multi-syllable rhyme. For example, for come to me, I would have to run to me, hun to see, sun to see, the run to be, the gun to e. And what that does is that limits you. It limits you so much, because once you run out of that, then it's like, oh man, what am I going to rhyme? You get stuck. I'm going to change that today. All right. I was listening to Jimmy Cooks by Drake. And on Jimmy Cooks, one thing that I noticed was that Drake was not using a multi-syllable rhyme, but he was using a multi-syllable flow. And as I got to listening to it, I was like, oh, this is how he makes it sound good. For example, different mode, pinky toe, nigga no, middle row, minute though, timid soul. See, those are multi-syllable rhymes. Timid soul, minute though, middle row, nigga row, pinky toe, right? But as we get more into the verse, he gets away from that. Kitchen stove, good to go, get recode, Yellowstones, silicone, crack the code, rose gold, J. Cole, even know, been in vogue. And then he goes back to the multi-syllables. Day ones, lay some, straight stun, say some, day one, bass John, say some. All right? And so I want to talk about how when you don't have these multi-syllable rhymes, where you can go and how you can come up with it. Simply, all we're doing is phrase rhyming. Now, when Drake did this and he has the kitchen stove, good to go, what he did was he had a 3-syllable pattern. All right? Now, as long as you can come up with words and phrases that fit that it's gonna rhyme. For example, living wrong, write a song. Living wrong, write a song. Smoke a bone, doing wrong. See, as long as you have that rhythm, it's going to rhyme, no matter what words you plug in. For example, let me show you an example. Now, I have come to me. Come to me does not rhyme with have to be, except for the last syllable. But come to me, have to be, never be. You have to make sure that you can find phrasing that fits in with. So, but every time she come to me, talking about this shit, something said that had to be. Says I never be. Looking like she tired of me. Every time I go to sleep or something, but it ain't a dream. See, it, the emphasis is on that last rhyme, but it's that package of syllables that makes it work. Okay, I got making me proud. Making me proud. That's 4 syllables. Making me proud, gotta be now. Figure it out. They don't rhyme like as far as the sound the same, but the rhythm is said. Making me proud, gotta be. See, the thing is making me, gotta be, figure it, loving me, come to me. You could put it, if whatever you can find that fits in that it's gonna work. Cause she making me proud. I told her if we want to stuff it, then it's gotta be now. We got figure it out. See, I've been saying it loud. Put the fire to me, got me burning the crowd. I think she loving my style. Man, this is a game changer because now you only have to worry about rhyming the last word. All right. And now multi-syllable rhyming does have its benefit. It's giving you more of the bar that you don't have to figure out because you have this. And typically multi-syllable rhymes, they do a lot of times come with a visual, but being able to use both of these is great because what Drake did in this verse is very intentional. With at the beginning, he starts it off with the multi-syllables, then he creates tension by going away from it before coming back to it. Man, it's just genius. So what I did was I wrote a little mini verse, right? And what I did is losing friends, leave it in, block again, trying to win. See, those don't all the way fully rhyme. Motherfucking Raptors, finna rap some, gave me asthma, selling plasma, ate me asthma, selling plasma, finna rap some, fucking Raptors. All right, before ending it with rhyming, more multi-syllable. All right, 2 or more syllables. All right, so let me play it on the beat so y'all can hear it. It's still gonna flow because when you doing multi-syllable rhymes, you still doing the same thing. Strictly cool, missing you, but you trying to rhyme the whole phrase instead of just strictly cool. I thought we strictly cool. Now I'm fucking you. Call me boo. Say it's true. Man, the sign, we were strictly cool till I pulled up and I started fucking you. Now you come around, wanna call a nigga boo, but you got another man, baby, tell me that it's true. Ooh. See, this is what R&B and singers do. They not worried about rhyming the whole thing. That's really only like East Coast rap or super lyrical, super technical rap where that's important. But it's not always needed, but it's always good to have multiple approaches. I hope this video was of value. I know it was, motherfuckers. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.